vlog. Today we're gonna go to Arizona.
Hi, I'm Donna. I'm Alana's grandma, and I'm so excited to take these girls to Arizona with me to visit my sister friend Sochi.
I'm Gigi. I'm excited to go.
Hi, my name is Maya Isabel Basista, and I am ecstatic to go to Arizona.
I'm Aaliyah, and I'm just along for the ride.
Yay! Just like that.
Cool.
Oh yeah, what her carne asada?
Egg, cheese, and bacon burrito.
Oh wait, I'm kind of sad actually. That kind of makes me sad. The walk's right there.
Oh my god, I'm so scared she's gonna fall. Oh my god, yeah.
Oh, I told my grandma to stop at the next obscure building that we find, and this is it. Said obscure building.
Obscure building. It's not one obscure building. You're obscure. Jitterbug.
What is this? It's a TikTok dance. We can teach you.
So I don't want us going in here, but door's open.
Turn up.
Hey, obscure building time.
Yeah.
And it's
Come on, sweetie. Come on, sweetie. Oh, he's so sweet.
so, in case you guys didn't get the memo, we've arrived in Bullhead City.
Okay, you guys keep
Yeah, literally. What else you need to yoga or something?
1, 2, 3, vlog.
1,
2, 3, vlog.
Dang it! I was going in between vlog and journal. 1, 2, 3,
thoughts.
magazine.
1, 2, 3, editor.
1,
2, 3,
red
publisher.
pen. No.
1, 2, 3, Wattpad.
manuscript.
1, 2, 3, archive on our own.
That was good. 1,
2, 3, manacled.
What the?
Grandma got us some Panda Express. They're complaining because they're saying that they have to keep reminding me about the vlog, which is true. But
I think that's absolutely true.
hey,
We are at the lake. Apparently, it comes from the mountains in Colorado.
it's the Colorado River.
Oh, what?
I'm updating vlogs since Alana's probably lacking on vlog content. Puddles is about to play in waves.
5.
Good one.
500 skips.
Oh, wait, that was really bad.
Where did that even go?
Look at beautiful.
Oh, you got it! 3 times! Everyone say what their favorite kind of tree is.
Like a willow tree.
I was like a monkey pod tree.
Low-key, I like a cherry blossom tree when it's in bloom. Like, it's very pretty.
Oh, manzanita.
Ooh, a manzanita. The most authentic Chinese food you can get in Arizona.
Here go the girls getting on the boat, ready for their adventure.
So they've been doing this game where Gigi throws a big rock and Aaliyah throws a small one, and they try to hit it. As you can see, Ho's mad, but Maya and I got it right away. We got a whole feast.
And they brought it to us.
Thank you.
Cookies, fruit.
Woo. Vlog content.
Vlog
Have a raspy voice like Miley Cyrus.
Okay.
Imagine if I had a chunk of your hair in my hand and you ripped it out.
I waited until you pulled, bro.
Oh.
Say hi.
Shall you get her?
Tell us the truth. My 3 fans. Okay, so this is our front yard, and look at this cactus. We're all kind of obsessed with it. Puddle, you look so cute. You look so happy. Look at it. Pretty. You guys, baby is one of the sweetest cats. Look at Ella. Look at her. Hi, baby. Oh, she's such a sweetie.
Yes! That was cinema! Cinema! Nick on top, like I said.
Imagine being the other guy.
Thank you, Amaya. What is wrong with you? You bitch ass fuck!
Are we following you guys?
Yeah, we're all gonna follow each other.
We're leaving Sedge's house right now. Look at the ladder.
Mahalo, aloha, sayonara, shalom.
We do? Cigarettes in here. Okay, we're gonna do gas station hauls. I didn't get anything, but everyone else is gonna do their haul.
First, Essentia, Pop-Tarts, brown sugar, of course, and original Cheez-It grab bag.
I got an Alani, not pictured. Yeah, that one. But like, okay, I should have done a taste test because I got this from yesterday and it's like a new flavor. It's cotton candy. I was a little bit suspicious that it would be like too much, but it's actually quite delectable.
I've been feeling dehydrated, so I got a Gatorade.
A yellow one out of all flavors. Sorry, I don't like yellow Gatorade.
When? Did
I ask? I hate to say this, but I've been the most anxious driver ever. We made it to Victorville. Oh. I sprayed sunscreen on my face and I literally inhaled it and it tasted like crap. She clogged your teeth. Beggar poor man.
I can't hear it.
Mess it up.
Twinker.
Tinker Taylor's what I
Tinker,
heard.
Taylor, Soldier, Sailor, Rich Man, Poor Man, Beggar Man, Thief.
Okay, I was close.
That's like a song on the island in elementary school. We should.
And I'm the one taking the team. Taking one for the team. It didn't work.
There's no right there.
It's not.
And I'm gonna do it like this. So that
Masons, wake up and look for the other Mason. Seer, wake up. You may look at another player's card.
No, I want to know who were the two Masons because I was a seer.
I'm a Mason. There's one in the center.
Yep, there was one in the center. That was a trick question. Good job. No, you're not because it's in the center, and I just said that, bro. Okay, vote now. Werewolf. Yeah.
I'm the Tanner!
It's so bad.
You don't? You bought me a shot and then we kissed. It was at Kelly's the other day. You were with the guys. Do you want to do something the other day? I thought we had pretty good chemistry in that kiss.
Yeah, like right now?
No, not right now, not right now. I mean, unless you want.
That's a good question. I'm not too sure.
Really? Because I know you live at the collection, because you told me that.
Whoa!
I'm kind of on my way.
Chi, turn around. Good girl. So we just got Dutch. I'm about to pull up to the window and we're gonna meet up barista.
Okay, driver.
A set of Fetterman.
Thank you so much. Have a good day. You too. Galaxy fish. I haven't gotten it in a long time because I normally get the Hawaiian nowadays. But I wanted something new. Well, not new. I've had it before actually.
I got a vanilla latte, add lavender, so lavender vanilla latte.
Yeah, Leah's gonna be bouncing off the walls in this car.
Yeah, Leah might need to take a few laps.
It's actually pretty good.
Yeah,
I'm not even gonna lie.
Leah's gonna be mean.
I'm not even gonna lie. This is like just pretty good coffee. No.
I'll have some beers.
Right? It's not even bad. We're now on our way home.
Yay! Homeward bound. Oh.
What?
Bro was not in the lane.
Obviously, if it was like another lane, I wouldn't have gone that far.
Yeah, no. I'm not stressing. Don't worry.
I was really worried actually. I thought you were stressing. To your house in Riverside on my way home. And guess what? You fucked it up. You didn't answer. Now I'm not gonna pull up because I'm not fucking crazy. Maybe next time, don't sleep in past noon and then we can hang out. Why is she crying? What happened?
Her book.
What happened? Oh, I'm sorry for blaming you for everything. I just couldn't know. I'll move it to where my address. We're ending the vlog here because we made it to Lakeside. I'm done driving. Thank you so much for watching. Wait, I need a better outro. We got the card, therefore the vlog is over. Someone go down like that. And we could have 2 people down. Actually, no, I don't know how to do that. Just do it.
Bye. Go cover the camera with me. Bye.